These trending and stylish waterproof bags from Denmark are now available at Urban Traveler stores. Rains is an outerwear lifestyle brand. Its collections blend a conceptual meets functional design approach, a strong urban inspiration, and a signature fabric identity. They look so sleek and fashionable. Novel and waterproof bags are a part of the Rain's essentials, made to protect your everyday necessities from the rain, so you are always sure that your belongings are completely safe. When in Manila. Look stylish while keeping your gadgets and gear dry. Get a Rain's bag at Urban Traveler stores or online at urbantravelerco.com.